I guess so. The question is suspension. A game is being played which initially consists of n players. One foul. On fouls, the referee is allowed to award yellow and red cards. The total number of yellow cards is y and red cards are awarded to the player is known for the game. Okay, there are two ways a player can be suspended: receiving a red card, receiving two yellow cards. If he receive one red card, he will be terminated, I mean suspended, and if he receive two yellow card, he will be suspended. Okay, once a player is suspended, they are removed from the game and they can't receive anymore. Okay, determine the maximum number of players suspended from the game possible. Okay, we have to determine maximum number of players that can be suspended from the game. Okay, so how we are going to do that? I have already written the code of it. Let's see. Yeah, so I think it's visible to you guys. Yeah, so what we are doing over here, we have taken all the variables. Yellow card, the individual who is getting yellow card will be divided by 2, plus the individual who is getting a red card will be divided by 1. Okay, because one red card a player would be terminated, and through two yellow cards a player could be suspended. Okay, so we'll take it into the ANS. After that, if ANS is greater than n, okay, if the value which we get is greater than n, what we will do, we'll output the n. Okay, because if the answer is greater than the number of players, then it's false. Okay, so we'll output n, total numbers whichever in the n it has mentioned. Else if it's less than or equal to n, we'll print out the answer. Okay, that's how the code is working. Okay, let me show you a test case. Okay, so yeah, GCC 2158 2150. The code has compiled successfully. Now run a test case. Like, let's pick a example, like 3 1. Total number of players are there, how many? 3. Okay, and how many yellow cards have been issued to the players? 1 yellow card and 2 red cards. So how many players could be totally suspended? Let's check it. 1 3 2 and 1. So the answer is 2. Let's see 2. Yes, so the correct answer is 2, as you can see over here. So yeah guys, that's it. If you have any doubt, write down in the comment section. I will definitely reply it. So yeah, thank you for watching.